Seeing the class 12 board examinations, the results are out, and that is the official announcement being made. CBSE class 12 examination results have now been announced. It can be accessed from the cbseresults.nic.in as well. We have Piyush with us because this is something that from the students of class 10 and class 12 who were expecting their results to be out today. There was still no confirmation yet on that, Piyush, but we're getting to know that class 12 results have now been announced. Piyush, the wait for class 12 students of arts, commerce and science streams is finally over. Their results are out. Go on.
Well, yes, Amita, we have got the notification from CBSE which says that the result of class 12, the examination conducted by CBSE has been declared today, and they have been declared on few websites on cbse.nic.in, cbseresults.nic.in and results.nic.in. So these are the three websites on which the results will be out, and CBSE has also said that people can go and watch the results digitally, and Umang app can also be used. Some telephone numbers have also been issued by CBSE. So it's confirmed that now the results have been out, and there is a press note has also been issued by CBSE which we have got about the tele-counselling to the students. So now it's confirmed that now the results of class 12 have now been are now out, and the date of examination which took place from 15th February to 30th of March, and from 15th February to 30th of March, their date of declaration was 13th July, and now further there are other developments also which are now coming in. But now in an official announcement, CBSE has said that the results are now out. People can go, students can go and watch these results on the websites of Central Board of Secondary Education.
So that's the official portal that we've also put up on your screens, from where the students of class 12, the three streams, can now access their results. However, it seems unlikely that the merit and the toppers list will be announced by the CBSE. But those results of class 12 students who were eagerly waiting for their delayed results is now out, and that has been also confirmed by the HRD minister himself. Thanks very much, Piyush.